Hello guys, hello guys. Thanks again for joining. This is Marcus Forex. I'm welcoming you to my webinar today as we check out most of the trades that have been happening, what has been happening on Gbpjpy, the big gold, and other pairs. I know it has been quite some time since I've done this. I've rarely been posting my video, but still documenting. So let's jump into it and see what is up on Gbpjpy. As you expect, Gbpjpy this year it has been mostly been bullish, as you can see. Even yeah, we have you can't call it has been a bullish year for GJ. It has been gaining. So 2023 start of 2023 is here. You can see GJ has been bullish on this year. So on the other side, we get that Gbpjpy has been having some ranges that has been taking some time. You can see we have been getting stuck into ranges for maybe a month, about here 2 months. You can see we were in this range for 2 months, as you can see. 2 months in between here, this is like 88 days. This is almost like, yeah, almost like 3 months. Not two, actually it's 3 months. So you can see you have spent a lot of time here on this range. It's almost like 3 months, whereby we were having a clear direction but not that good price action on GJ, as you can see. As you can see, on the other side of the price action, we can see that GJ was quite moving so well here. It was quite moving so well here. So when I go to my 4 hour time frame, you can see that after we got into this high range whereby I didn't take most of my trades here, I was not active on GJ. I was not active here on GJ because the price action was not quite good on, doesn't seem, actually from September. It was not something that I really liked or enjoyed, of which still I had, most of the times I trade with orders. Most of my orders were not getting to close because you can see the market was just getting to my areas, retesting. See, I could miss highs and lows. So most of the time I stayed out of the market, or I could set my orders and find that the market is dropping but didn't trigger my sell limit. So I don't have a problem with that. Is that I just remain positive and objective. So as you can see here, we also had this high, which was the previous high. It was quite a good trade, which I didn't get involved with because most of my positions were, I was expecting a good run from GJ around this area. Let's see. Yeah, I was expecting a bounce. I was expecting a bounce on GJ here. I'm quite taking too much time to show you these guys. So yes, why I will be giving that reason is why, because as you can see here, if we check GJ on lower time frame, on higher time frame, it has been giving us this kind of pattern a lot this year. As you can see, you can see here the market consolidates for some time, breaks this structure. The market consolidates, corrects for some time. You see a small impulse. The market corrects for some time. Then we have this impulse, something like a bullish structure. You see triangle, rectangle breaks this structure, then bounces up. We still have something like that here. You can see we still have this kind of structure here. whereby the market just breaks up, then we gain the momentum. So I had this same kind of price action, anticipated this kind of price action until we break 18184 here. So I had a bull position around this area, anticipating GJ buys now. See, I'm sorry, my voice is not quite. Yeah, I'm having a cold, so my voice is not quite clear, as you can see on GJ. You see, so I would say it was not quite wise taking buy positions on GJ just randomly. I wouldn't say it was quite good just picking buy GJ positions randomly. It was quite of an year whereby I think it was quite of this year where you take positions when they mature. That's how I trade when they mature. Not that every day we have price moving up and down, but I don't think that was the best idea to do on GJ, as you can see. Now, what am I anticipating on GJ? I'm expecting, as I can see, GJ has triggered this. We have cleared all these lows on my side here. We have the first phase, the second, expecting a third phase here, whereby maybe GJ is going to close bullish this year. So next week, on the coming week, as you can see, I've been bullish, whereby I crossed this position up here because this candlestick showed me, because I've been having a lot of indecision on GJ, and JPYP has been gaining momentum. You can see we had this good sell here. We had this, it was awesome. I'm telling you, it was awesome. This sell here, it was quite good, I can't lie. So after breaking this structure here, it just happened. And remember, our DST is off, so DJ almost how many pips? Let's check out. We had almost, yeah, 500 pips on the downside. So what I'm trying to explain here is that after we get these, we try to see on the price action and the technicals whether the market, yes, we might still get another pushback here, still price action here, and the market will push up, or we should expect because we already have a range here. We need to see what happens in between this range. As you see, we already have a range here. We should see what will happen on this range, so that maybe the market will push a little bit high on the upper side, so that we can go back to 188. Yes, until we go back to 188, whereby now the price will start pushing up, 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 maybe to these highs. I don't know where, because we have today's date. Yes, today's date 10. So we have few trading days to close 2024. So you don't know how this year is going to end. So this is kind of my ideology, whereby GJ is supposed to gain. Maybe we can also consolidate here and gain some bullish momentum. So guys, just stay focused on your trades on GJ, observe anything that might be happening on GJ, and that's it. On the other side of Japanese, Japanese index, you can see, oh, it was good because the JPY has been losing a lot of on the interest side. You can see the J has just been losing, has been gaining now, and for the past few times you can see the JPY gained. You see, the JPY gained all these. Yeah, make it, so that's when we had this crash here on GJ. So just remain positive, guys. I think it was quite a good year for GJ, but still we had I can't say I was comfortable because I got involved on these buys on, as most know that I didn't trade a lot in March. Didn't trade a lot in March, but I had a lot of good trades from January this year. I didn't trade a lot of January. I took good trades on January, February. When I got to March, I didn't trade on March and April. I had a lot of issues with maybe moving around. I didn't take a lot of positions on March. That's what I know. And also, I didn't get to swing this long position here. But one thing I understand for sure is JJ was quite collective this year. It was quite collective, yeah. It was quite collective. As I have shown you here, we have been having like almost 3 months where the market of GJ has not been moving. It was quite correcting. This is not a kind of price action most people want. This is not good. This is not clean. But this is clean, you can say. Something like this is clean. Due to past history, you can say this is clean. This is clean because we have the market, the pair moving up and down. You have the pair moving up and down, but here you see it was quite correct here, as I said. Let's see what is going to happen here. Yeah, because you can see the buy momentum has started, but still on lower time frame. There's a lot of correction on lower time frame. So I won't tell you to avoid lower time frame. I'm not going to discuss or I'm not going to encourage or discourage any way you trade. Myself, I just say look for what works for you. Understand yourself. It's called self-awareness. What works for you, what doesn't work for you, good risk management. Have at least some good capital to start with. Then give yourself a shot. Test whatever you do with yourself, then jump in the market. See what gives you. It's more of learning and understanding what you know and what you don't know. Because I can't promise you know everything, but when you get into the right side of the market, you will know. When you get on the wrong side of the market, you will know. So, guys, I'm going to break this up here. Now, thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video, make sure you let someone else know about this channel. Peace, guys. Thank you. Wish you all the best in 2023.